Let's talk pricing. Welcome to Wrenchettes, guys. We're not only working this beautiful MKT wildlife as well. Now, if you guys thought, man, that looks like Strap, man, well, I copied his style. Now, today we're going to talk about the Valarra Vette. Without further ado, here is the Valarra Vette. What do you guys think of the Valarra Vette? Let's go through all the things that I saw with this picture. Now let's talk about first the badging. The badging, to me, it looks like a little fox, which I think is like 2 V's or something. I mean, it looks good in the car, and that's what's important, right? That front end of this car looks so menacing. From the molds, we knew that thing was gonna look mean. And to be honest, I like the look from the molds, but the way Matt used the little marble material, I don't know how do you call that material. If you know exactly the name, please let me know in the comment section down below so I could name things right. Now that material and the combination and the way that he did it just took it out of the park. Like, it was a home run. I mean, the headlights looks so freaking cool, like with the little stripes. That front end looks mean. The bumper looks amazing. The little fender liner arc is like way more than the original Corvette. It just makes it looks way better. The body lines of that car also make it look so good. Matt did a really good job with those body lines. And the side skirts, again, he used that marble material, which is a really good thing, and it fits the car really well. Now the back end. In the molds, in the first rendering, my favorite part of the Valarra Vette was the rear end, because you can actually see like the inner workings, you know, of the muffler and stuff like that, in which it gives you that exotic look, which I loved. Now seeing it, how it would actually look like in these pictures, I mean, it just looks amazing. From the 4 tips of the muffler and that marble material, again, everywhere, you know, to the actual tail light design, I mean, that back end looks wow. And so like I say, wow. I mean, let's talk about that big wing. Again, he used the same material of marble. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's about the same size as the Vader wing, which is a 65-inch. But again, he used that material with the marble, and it just looks amazing. I mean, some people like don't like the big wing look, but for the Valarra Vette, that big wing is working for it. Now the side mirrors, I really like them too, because it looks exotic and it makes the car look more exotic than it already is. I mean, the whole entire look of the car is just exotic all over the place. So the mirror does the car justice, is what I'm trying to say. Now let's talk about the wheels and how low this car is, man. And just like Pablo Sanchez says, that thing is dirt nasty low, man. I'm pretty sure you can't even fit a pinky inside that thing. It's really, really low. Now the wheels, like I said in previous videos, I'm not too much of a fan of star pattern rims, but it looks good on the Valarra, and that's what's important, right? Okay, let's talk about performance. Now, the Valarra Vette is based off the C6 Corvette, if you didn't know. And as we all know it, the C6 Corvette is an amazing platform to make a lot of power. So in the Valarra, you have 1, the exotic look, and 2, the performance. So there is no excuse to get a Valarra. You know what I'm saying? My overall rating for the Valarra Vette is, drum roll please, A+. I really do love this look, man. It looks amazing. Again, Matt put it out of the ballpark. He did an amazing job with this design. From the tail light design, from the headlights, the bumper, the side skirts, the wing, the rear look, everything. That car looks amazing. Definitely a must get. Now let's talk business. I'm gonna do a poll in the left corner right here. According to the Valarra, based on a C6 Corvette, do you think Matt will price this kit above 100K like the Vader? Or do you think that Matt will keep it for the small guy around 16K like he did for the original Vader? Now place your vote in the corner right there somewhere. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please give me a like on this video. And if you're new, please consider subscribing because 2019 is going to be an awesome year. God bless. And this vlog is over, and I'm out.